Ever wondered what magic number unlocks the doors to financial freedom? That elusive 3-digit code, your credit score, can feel like a mystery wrapped in an enigma. It dictates everything from loan approvals to insurance rates, casting a long shadow over your financial well-being. But how do you actually keep tabs on this mysterious number? Enter services like Borrowell, promising a glimpse into your credit score. But here's the real question, is Borrowell pulling a fast one, and could checking your score through them actually hurt your precious credit rating? Let's crack open the credit score vault and shed some light on this. Understanding the credit score game, soft versus hard inquiries. Imagine your credit report as a detailed report card of your borrowing history. It tracks your credit usage, payment habits, and even inquiries made about your credit. These inquiries fall into two categories, soft and hard. Soft inquiries are like gentle peeks. They allow you or services like Borrowell to access your credit score without leaving a mark. Think of it as browsing a store window. You're just looking, not committing. So, checking your score with Borrowell is perfectly safe. It won't affect your credit score in the slightest. On the other hand, hard inquiries are like potential landlords asking for your full credit report, a more intrusive look. These inquiries happen when you apply for a loan, credit card, or even a new phone plan. While a single hard inquiry won't cause major damage, a trail of them within a short period can raise red flags for lenders, suggesting you're credit hungry and a potential risk. Your soft inquiry superhero. The good news is Borrowell sticks to soft inquiries. You can check your score with them as often as you want, giving you the power to monitor your credit health without repercussions. This is especially useful if you're actively working on improving your score. Regular check-ins with Borrowell can help you track your progress and celebrate milestones. Borrowell's Toolbox. While a free credit score is a great perk, Borrowell offers more than just a peek at your number. They provide tools and resources to help you understand what factors are impacting your score and offer personalized tips for improvement. Think of it as getting a credit score tutor. They'll not only show you your grade, but also explain how to ace the next test. They might suggest ways to lower your credit utilization ratio, negotiate with creditors for better terms, or even identify potential errors on your credit report. Expanding your credit knowledge. Borrowell is a valuable tool, but remember, it's not the only one. Familiarize yourself with the factors that contribute to your credit score. Payment history is king, so prioritize on-time payments for all your bills. Keeping your credit utilization ratio low, ideally below 30%, also plays a significant role. Don't be afraid to request a free copy of your credit report from both Equifax and TransUnion, the two major credit bureaus in Canada. Regularly reviewing your report allows you to identify and dispute any errors that might be dragging down your score. Borrowell is your credit score ally. So, to answer the burning question, does Borrowell hurt your credit score? Absolutely not. In fact, it can be a valuable tool in your quest for credit score mastery. Utilize Borrowell's soft inquiries to monitor your progress, leverage their educational resources, and don't forget to explore the broader credit health landscape. With knowledge and the right tools, you can unlock the secrets of your credit score and use it as a stepping stone to a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.